So this will ruffle some feathers, but it needs to be said. Okay, forming an LLC does not automatically lower your taxes. I know that might not be what TikTok, Instagram, or your cousin told you, but I want to talk to you about this honestly, because this misunderstanding actually costs business owners real money. So many content creators come to me and they say, I did the responsible thing and I formed an LLC. And then they're confused when their tax bill didn't change. So here's the part that most people skip. An LLC is a legal structure. It is not the tax strategy. It's designed for protection, not your tax savings. And no one explains that up front. Everybody just say, go get an LLC. So I had a service provider tell me, I thought that once I got my LLC, my taxes would finally go down. But when we looked at the numbers, nothing had changed. Not because she did anything wrong, but because she was never told how taxes actually worked. What actually impacts your taxes is how the business is taxed, not just what it is called. So for some business owners, being taxed as a S corporation can reduce your self-employment taxes. But, and this is the important part, it only works when the income, consistency, and expenses make sense. So this isn't a everyone needs a S corporation conversation. That mindset is just as dangerous as doing absolutely nothing. Strategy is about timing. It's not about the trends, timing. The first thing is realizing that you didn't mess up, that you didn't have the full picture. Because once you understand the difference between legal structure and tax treatment, the confusion disappears. So when a S Corp makes sense, that is when you have the power. When it doesn't make sense, it can actually create more stress, compliance issues, and unnecessary costs. And that's why guessing your way into it is never the best move. When you make entity decisions based on your numbers, not internet advice, then you actually are going to keep more of what you earned. And that is what real tax strategy looks like. So if you are unsure whether your LLC is actually working for you, this is exactly what I explain inside the IRS Playbook for content creators and service providers. And if you want to know whether your S Corp is right for your business and not just someone else's business, I invite you to book a tax strategy session with me. All you have to do is comment tax strategy.